I turn and I twist in this web of insanity, passion and pain. Yes, I ache, oh, I crave, yeah, I breathe you, but your mouth don't taste the same. Oh no, no, not about this life. You don't know what love means. You're just as scared as everybody else. Oh, don't put your shit on me. You really threw me back along, and you finally told me how you feel. And it's 3 a.m. and that darkness seeps in, and that dream becomes real.